kids, welcome to the last part of polygons. I am discussing questions in page number 59, 8th question. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. Prove that triangle BDF drawn joining alternate vertices is equilateral. Look at the figure. I have drawn ABCDEF, a regular hexagon. We have to prove BDF to be equilateral. We know in an equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So it is enough if you prove all the three sides BD, DF and BF to be equal. Okay. Now let us consider triangles FDE, triangle BCD and also triangle ABF. In all the three triangles, you know, angle E, angle C is equal to angle A, which is equal to 120 degree. Because we know in a regular hexagon, each angle is 120 degree. Now what can you say about the sides? We know AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and AF are all equal. So by using side angle side congruence, we can say all the three triangles are equal. That is triangle FDE equal to triangle BCD equal to triangle ABF, because two sides and included angle of the three triangles are equal. Now you know, if triangles are equal, then side opposite to equal angles are equal. Opposite to angle E, you have the side DF. So we can say DF is equal to, opposite to C we have BD and opposite to A we have DF. All the three sides of BDF are equal. Hence BDF is an equilateral triangle. On to the 9th question. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. Prove that ACDF is a rectangle. Look at the figure. ABCDEF is given to be a regular hexagon. So what do you know? All sides and all angles are equal. So we can say in these two triangles, that is in triangle DEF and in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 120 degree. Because we know in a regular hexagon, each angle is 120 degree. Okay. Now we know these two sides are equal. These two sides are also equal. So we can call triangle DEF and also triangle ABC to be isosceles triangles. So what can you say about these base angles? We can say angle EFD is equal to angle EDF is equal to 180 minus 120 divided by 2. Because we know sum of all angles in a triangle to be equal to 180 degree, from which I subtracted this 120 degree. So each of these angles will be equal to 60 by 2, which is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? So you got this angle to be equal to 30 degree and this angle also to be equal to 30 degree. Also, using the same idea, we can say this angle to be equal to 30 degree and this angle is also equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now what can you say about, see this angle AFD, angle AFD will be equal to 120 minus 30 which is equal to 90 degree. So in a similar way you get all angles here to be equal to 90 degree. Also you can say, since angle B and angle E are equal and using side angle side, we can say these two triangles are equal triangles. So side opposite to equal angles are equal. So we get the condition AC to be equal to DF. So in ACDF, each angle, that is angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle F is equal to 90 degree and one pair of opposite sides are equal. Hence, the figure ACDF is a rectangle. ABCDE is a regular pentagon. Calculate the three angles at the vertex D. You can see three different angles formed at the vertex D. Now we are going to calculate each of the three angles. Now consider triangle ADE. Consider triangle ADE and also triangle BCD. Now you know angle C is equal to angle E is equal to 108 degree because each angle of a regular pentagon is 540 divided by 5 which gives you 108. Also, these two sides are equal and these two sides are also equal. So you can call triangle ADE and triangle BCD to be isosceles triangles, from which you can calculate the base angles. Now these two angles are 180 minus 108 divided by 2. That gives you 72 by 2 which is equal to 36 degree. Clear? So you got 36 degree here and also 36 degree at the vertex D. In a similar way, we can say this angle is 108. Therefore, these base angles are 36 degree and 36 degree. Okay. Now we need angle ADB. Now to calculate angle ADB, what you can do? You know angle DAB is equal to angle at vertex A is equal to 108. So 108 minus 36 gives you 72. Therefore, this angle is 72. In the same way, you get this angle to be also equal to 72. Therefore, what is the remaining angle of this triangle? Angle ADB will be 180 minus of 72 plus 72, which also gives you 36 degree. So we can say each of the angles formed at the vertex D to be equal to 36 degree. Children, our third chapter is over. Thank you.